Hello, my name is Mike Yulo, and I want to share with you and explain to you how our GFox dropshipping and network marketing business works. But before that, let me share a few testimonies kung paano natulungan ng negosyo na to ang maraming tao, lalo na mga distributors ng kumpanya. So let me get straight into it. Let me share my screen for the presentation. Okay. Ayan. All right. So let me start with Mr. Edison Victorino. Si Mr. Edison Victorino po is one of the first few distributors of GFox. And dati siyang software engineer, joined the company when it was just starting, 2015. So ngayon po ay 2025, so 10 taon pa lang po sa negosyo. Amazingly, naka 104 million mahigit na po siya sa negosyo. Amazing. Nakakatawa ho, because of that, he was able to buy many cars. Marami po. And let me just highlight three of his most expensive ones. Yung Jeep Rubicon niya po is 5.7 million. Yung Mercedes-Benz niya is an A-Class 3.2 million. And BMW Z4 niya is 4.9 million. And because of that also, he was able to collect lots of watches. And again, let me highlight three of his most expensive ones. Yung tag niya po na F1 is 350,000. Yung Rolex Yachtmaster niya is 750,000. And yung Rolex Daytona niya is 1 million pesos. Next is property acquisition. Meron po siyang townhouse sa Capitolio, Pasig. Nagkakahalagang 27 million pesos because of the business at sa kinita niya, sa laki ng kinita niya. Meron siya Rizal property sa Palo Alto worth 6.6 million pesos. Plus, na-experience niya mag-shopping. Karamihan po dito ay libre. Yung iba, sarili niya yung bili. Yung iba ay libre galing sa GFox Lifestyle Reward. May pa-incentive po yung company na shopping incentive. So from LV to Gucci, no, ang isang bag nagkakalagang 185,000. And bukod sa bag, shoes from Givenchy to Versace to Hermes, no, and also Gucci again, shoes and belts. So yan po yung kanyang mga, you can pause this video and zoom in so that you will see the price, yung mga nakakalulang presyo ng kanyang mga gamit. Nakakatuwa, na-experience niya yung success na yon because marami po siyang natulungan. Mayroon po siyang inimbitahan, katulad na ikaw ngayon na nanonood nito, you're invited, introduced into this business. Meron po siyang inalok ng negosyo na couple. Ang pangalan po ay Mr. and Miss Rich and Ted Tylo. Dating cable guy po si Mr. Rich, former office clerk si Miss Ted. Nakakatuwa ho, in just 10 years of doing the business also, 2015 nag-start, naka 28.5 million mahigit na po sila. Kaya nung wala silang kumita, nakabili ng Morris Garage. Ngayon, no, bago lang po, nakabili naman sila ng BMW M Sport Coupe 2025. Two-door sports car na BMW worth 3.7 million. Kaya nakabili din po ng pag-shopping and mga incentive din po ng luxury goods and watches, no, from Seiko to Philip Stein, tapos pati mga shades nila and sunglasses, branded Gucci and LV. Bukod doon, property acquisition also, nakabili ng bahay at lupa sa San Pablo, Laguna worth 3.2 million. So an amazing business to share talaga. Nakapag-travel, no, may mahilig po at pangarap mag-travel, ito na po ang best opportunity para sa inyo. Nakapuntang UAE, Star Cruises, Japan, Taiwan, Korea, Busan, Seoul, South Korea. And nakakatuwa ho, bukod dun sa mag-asawa na yon, may naimbitahan ulit si Mr. Edison na mag-asawa na yung lalaki, high school graduate, unemployed, yung babae, dating nurse midwife. Okay, so literal tambay, pero since 2015 until today, 10 years lang din, kumita na po ng 55.4 million pesos si Mr. and Mrs. Dennis and Aleli Gitgano. Kaya naman po ang mga sasakyan, mabigatin din, no? Meron pong Ford Raptor worth 2 million, Nissan Patrol worth 4.8 million, Mini Cooper worth 4.1 million. Okay? Luxury goods and luxury items, hundreds of thousands worth. Also, shoes pa lang 91,000 na yung Hermes nila, no? At saka yung sandals and Dior. So iba-ibang luxury brands na na-experience nila because of the business. Watches, no? From Seiko to Philip Stein also, and travel. Sobrang hilig po ng couple na ito mag-travel. Kaya Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, Thailand, Shanghai, Taiwan, Chengdu, Korea. Recently, they stayed 10 days in Korea. And yung iba, sariling gastos, yung karamihan, libre po ng kumpanya. Okay? Next is this couple, Mr. and Mrs. Joven and Kathleen Maquinano. So, dati pong mga nagtatrabaho sa mall, magkaibigan po kami. So, former promodizer, doon po kami nagkakilala sa pagiging promodizer and sales lady po si Mrs. Kat. No? Ang kinita po, nakakatuwa, kung mapapansin nyo, ang joining date po nila is March 28, 2020. So 5 years pa lang po sila sa business, but they already made almost 44.5 million in the business. So wala po ito sa nauna na huli, no? Nasa sigasig po natin paano gagawin yung negosyo. And ito na po, multiple cars ang nabili, multiple luxury brands ang nabili, no? Watches, more shoes, and travel. Puro libre pong travel from Osaka to Busan to Seoul because of the opportunity na makikita nyo ngayong hapon na ito. Also, properties, nagkakahalaga ng 4.3 million in total sa Pampanga. At ang pinaka nakaka-inspire at nakaka-bless nilang testimony before the houses and everything, pinarenovate po nila yung kanilang local church sa Pampanga. Umabot po ng 2.5 million pesos. Alright? So ang next po, dahil nga yung promodizer na yun, may na-invite na promodizer din sa mall. Kami naman po ito, Mike and Angela Yulo, okay, dating telemarketer si Mrs. Ako po promodizer kasama ni Mr. Joven. Sumama naman po ako sa kanila year 2023 lang. So wala pa pong 3 taon, next year pa. But I already earned 15.8 million pesos. That's the reason why nakapaglabas po ng brand new Montero Sport Black Series in this business, and also purchased several luxury items. And mahilig po ako sa relo. So I have this luxury Rolex po, itong suot ko ngayon, no? Nagkakalaga ng 400,000 pesos. Also Hermes. Okay? Tapos, meron po akong sumali sa team ko, no? Bago yun, no? Nag-travel din po ako kasama nila Coach Joven sa Taipei, sa Busan, sa Seoul. Tapos, meron po akong tinuturuan at mini-mentor, no, sa business na bata pa po ito, 27 years old, dating OFW, yung kanyang misis ay dating, actually hanggang ngayon, teacher, part-time. Pero ang kinita na po is 6.4 million. Inaaral pa lang yung negosyo, literal. No, kung yung mga nauna ho, medyo na-master na yung negosyo kasi matatagal na sa business. Ito po siya ay inaaral pa lang ang negosyo pero naka 6.4 million pesos na. Hindi niya pa ito kabisado. Okay? And that's the reason why nakabili ng Nissan Terra Sport 2025, 2.2 million. Also, shopping incentive, LV, Seiko. Okay, nakapag-travel na rin. Iba't ibang bansa kasama namin for free. Again. And another couple na estudyante pa lang. Hanggang ngayon actually estudyante pa sila. Si CJ Pardo and Angela Luna. No? 2021 naman sila pumasok sa negosyo. Naka 4.4 million na. Kaya meron silang sakyan, Honda Civic, Toyota Hilux, luxury goods din. Okay. So, yun po yung, these are just some of the many, no, na nabago ang buhay, kumita na maganda, kumita na mas malaki because of the GFox opportunity, our dropshipping and network marketing business. Kaya po, ang ibig sabihin ng GFox is that it's an acronym that literally means going from ordinary to exceedingly extraordinary. Napatunayan po yan ng mga kwentong nabanggit ko sa inyo ngayon lang. Okay? So what is GFox all about? No, anong meron and how do we start doing the business? That's the next topic. Okay? So, ang kumpanya po na ito ay 10 years old na. So, since 2015, kaya marami na pong branches, multiple branches nationwide. We have one in Ortigas, our head office. We have in Lucena, we have in Davao, and we have in Cebu, recently opened in Cebu. And soon, sa mga probinsya ninyo, magkakaroon din tayo niyan. Okay? At ang ating board of directors, the people behind our company na talaga nagsimula ng kumpanya, no, is mga negosyante po lahat. Majority ay Taiwanese nationals po. Isang Pinoy, dating Vice Mayor ni Vilma Santos. and isang Filipino-Chinese na bayaw po ni Gokong Wei. So mga bigatin po lahat, negosyante po lahat. At ang ating CEO and President is a Malaysian, hindi po Pinoy. No? He's a Malaysian, top of his class when he was a student, very smart, very intelligent person, at napakabait po nito. Right? Siya ang brilliant person who is the author of our compensation plan. Kaya po marami ang kumikita na maganda sa negosyo natin dahil sa kanya. No? Heads Up member po tayo. Featured na po sa mga TV shows yung ating product. At anong product po yung madalas ma-feature? It is our Elixir Placenta. I'm sure you've heard so ads about this already. Elixir Placenta is a stem cell supplement. No, ang pinopromote po is cellular repair, renewal, immune health, hydration and elasticity, kaya gumaganda ang balat, healthy inflammatory response, kaya maraming mga masasakit sa katawan na naiibsan. Okay? So, pagka sinunod nyo yung ating suggested intake for 6 months, meron po tayong program dito ng pang-6 na buwan, even malalalang sakit, no, nagkakaroon po ng kagalingan at pag-asa at paglakas, pagsigla ulit ng katawan. Okay? Tapos, meron tayo mga vitamins and herbal supplements like spirulina. Spirulina is known to be a superfood, good for your gut, no? And aids in digestion, packed with proteins, vitamins, and antioxidants. Made from the largest manufacturer and algae cultivation plant in the world, which is in Taiwan. Kaya pala puro Taiwanese, no? Ang ating board of directors. Merong formulation specifically designed for the needs of men. May formulation specifically designed for the needs of women. Meron din tayong Ganoderma King, King of Mushroom. So, very famous na po itong product na ito. Piliin niyo po yung Ganoderma ni GFAX. So, supports blood health. Pagka marumi po ang dugo, maraming sakit. So, nakaka-detox po ito ng dugo, no? And also encourages cellular renewal and supports natural healing. Tapos, we also have vitamin C, but it's not your regular vitamin C. It's 3-in-1 vitamin C. Bukod sa vitamin C na sodium ascorbate, kaya hindi acidic, meron siyang turmeric for inflammatory and so probiotics for gut health. So, kompleto po, no, in one product. And of course, we also have the highest concentration of omega-3 fish oil in the market today. 92% omega-3 fish oil, sinamahan pa ng vitamin D, CoQ10, and vitamin E. Kaya po, napakaganda dahil sobrang concentrated siya, kahit iwan niyo siya sa freezer ng sobrang tagal, hindi matutulog yung oil niya kasi omega-3 talaga siya. Okay? So, to show you the value of the products I just showed, no? Let me just show you a quick illustration. Gano'n ka-importante yung mga produktong nakita po ninyo. Lahat po ng sakit, may pinanggagalingan. There's a cause, no? It could be stress, aging, old age, unhealthy lifestyle, hereditary, minana, no? Contagious na hawa, yan, pollution, okay? Maruming paligid, maruming pagkain. Okay. Now, dahil sa mga sanhi, nagkakaroon ng sakit. Sarit-sarit, samot-saring sakit, iba-iba. Okay? Pagka nagkakasakit po ang katawan, nasisira, nadadamage. Pag nadadamage at nasisira ang katawan, nanghihina. No? Yung iba hanggang sa hindi na makagalaw, nakahiga na lang, bedridden, at eventually leads to, alam naman natin, hindi natin matatakasan yan, no? Death. Okay, so, most of people look for cure. Ang cure po, sa sickness pumapasok. So, ang ina-address yung virus, yung mismong sakit, mismong cancer. So, there's therapies, treatments, medications for that. No? Chemotherapy and such. Alright? So, nandyan po pumapasok most treatments sa cure. Okay. Ngayon, para saan yung mga vitamins and supplements natin, herbal supplements? Dito po pumapasok. Prevention. Kaya nga po, prevention is better than cure kasi mas mura po yan kaysa cure at mas mahirap po ang mag-cure. Okay? So, dyan po siya, pampatibay ng katawan para hindi agad nagkakasakit. Saan naman po pumapasok ang Elixir Placenta or yung stem cell? Dito po sa damage. Kaya po talagang mas may presyo siya. Kasi ang ginagawa niya na is repair. Kasi ang question, paano kung may sakit na nga? Yun. So the damages caused by sickness and these medications and treatments no, na may side effect na hindi maganda sa ibang organs natin, nire-repair ng stem cells through elixir placenta. Okay? Pag nare-repair, nagkakaroon ng kaayusan, nagkakaroon ng kalakasan. Pag nagkakaroon ng kalakasan, nagkakaroon ng longer quality life. Hindi yung nakaratay na lang. No? So may nagkakaroon ng pagsigla, paglakas ulit. Nadudugtungan po yung buhay, which is yun naman ang goal natin. Hindi natin maiwasan yung ending, pero pwede naman natin sanang i-delay. Okay? So, at least, quick overview of the importance of our products. Okay. Kaya po din, maraming kumikita sa GFAX. Tunay na kumikita kasi tunay po yung mga produkto nating maganda. Alright? Now, paano naman? Ayan, meron pa po tayong ibang products for skincare naman. Premium din, quality din ng mga Kojic Papaya Soap. Additional, we have weight management support. Yung ating African Mango coffee and milk tea. Soon, maglalabas ng matcha flavor. O, di ba? And coming soon, the first in the market, Barley Cleanse. Jelly siya, jelly form. Hindi siya katulad ng usual na tinitimpla powder lasang damo. This one, mas madaling i-take kasi jelly, hindi mo kaya magtimpla-timpla. O, di ba? Mas mabilis. Convenient and efficient. So, how do you become a part of GFAX? Paano ka magiging distributor ng mga magagandang product na to at magsimulang kumita? Pili ka lang po ng kahit na alin sa mga business packages natin. Nagkakahalaga po ang isa ng 9,500. Pili kayo sa combination ng assorted products natin. Meron pang immunity, meron pang weight management, meron pang health and wellness. Ang pinaka good news po ngayon is meron pong super sulit deal business package na 9,500 lang din. Pero ang value ng laman niya is umaabot po ng almost 11,000 pesos. Kasi meron po siyang trial pack, 3 trial pack ng Elixir Placenta, tig sa 7 soft gel capsules ang isa. So, pangsubok sa mga gustong magsumubok muna at nagdududa pa bago magbayad ng buo. Kasi ang isang bote po ng Elixir Placenta is 19,500, 60 soft gels. Okay, sinamahan ng 2 bote ng spirulina. So, sulit ba? Sulit. Ang nakakatuwa niyan, wait, there's more. Just purchase that package. You are now a lifetime member of GFAX and our community, meaning you get all these for free. You get free training ng sales, you get free training ng marketing, you get free training ng personal development, leadership, training ng content creation, training how to run FB ads, and training how to use AI. Lahat po yan, pag in-access nyo sa labas, babayaran nyo po ng sobrang mahal. Dito po sa amin, libre. Kasama na po sa package ninyo. Ang good news pa niyan, may kasama negosyo to, so may 6 ways to earn. No? And I'll be discussing 3 of them para hindi po information overload. First one is when you retail the product through our dropshipping system. So mag-aalok ka lang, magpo-post ka lang. Pag may umorder sa'yo, forward your order to GFAX. Sila magfulfill ng order, sila magde-deliver, sila maniningil. Pag nasingil nila yung bayad, ipapasok nila sa account mo sa GFAX, sa dashboard mo, yung iyong tubo. So for example, sa screen niyo, no, RTG is 1.6, selling at 1.6, tubo mo is 600. Hindi mo kailangan mamuhunan ng 1,000 para kumita ng 600 kasi may drop shipping. Okay, that's number 1. And ito po yung sample ng our price list ng iba pa nating mga products. So SRP to profit. You can screenshot this one if you want. And number 2, ang encouragement ko naman po sa inyo, gusto nyo kumita ng mas malaki, imbis na per item ang benta, benta nyo rin yung business package. Puro products sa laman nun with the opportunity. No? So, nakakatuwa, pag nakabenta po kayo ng isang business package, may 600 pesos kayo. At dahil yung nabentahan nyo, magiging distributor na rin, magiging first level nyo sila na downline business partner. Pag sila nakabenta, second level ninyo, may 240 pa rin kayo kada business package na mabebenta. Yung second level nakabenta sa third, may 180 kayo pesos per business package. Sa fourth, 180. Sa fifth, 180. Sa sixth, 240. So imagine, hindi na kayo nakakabenta, meron pa rin kayong income. Okay? Kasi ang lahat ng direct sales niyo is on the first level lang. Alright? So, imagine, halimbawa, bigyan ko kayo ng maikling projection, nakabenta kayo sa 5 tao ng business package. So that's 600 times 5. Meron kayong 3,000. Yung 5 na yun, ginaya kayo, copy business po ito. Yung 5, nagbenta ng tigli 5. Meron kayong 25 business packages sold on the second level. Meron kayong 6,000. So kung mapapansin niyo on the 6th level, kumita na kayo ng 3.8 million pesos. Nakakatuwa, wala pa pong binary income dyan. Most network marketing companies, kailangan left and right. Mabalanse mo yung iyong network para kumita. Dito, wala pang left and right na nangyayari. Ito na yung pwede nyong kitain. From one person, you can earn so much already from the group sales bonus pa lang. Panalo, di ba? What more kung magle-left and right ka pa? Okay? So doon ngayon papasok yung ating tinatawag na team sales bonus. You earn binary income from your left and right sales team. So for example, this is you, nakabenta ka ng business package, nilagay mo sa left mo, matik meron kang 600, katulad ng diniscuss ko kanina. Tama? Group sales bonus. Tapos, nakabenta ka ulit ng business package, nilagay mo sa right mo, yung tao na yon, meron ka pa rin 600 pesos. So from the group sales bonus. Dahil ni left and right mo sila, nagkaroon ka ngayon ng team sales bonus. Sabi ng team sales bonus, pag may isang benta sa kaliwa, isang benta ng business package sa kanan, meron kang match na 900 pesos team sales bonus. Panalo. Ngayon, first level mo yan. Paano kung si A, total of 2,100 pesos for the 2 business packages na nabenta mo. So, imbis na tig 600 lang, may additional 900 kasi nag-match siya. Now, nakakatuwa, what if, yung first level na yan, si A, nagbenta ng 2, ginaya ka. So, sa second level mo, meron kang 480 pesos kasi tig 240 yung iyong GSB. So, si B, nakabenta ng 2 packages, meron ka ulit 480 pesos. And dahil may isa sa left, isa ka sa right, meron ka 900 ulit. May isa ka sa left, isa ulit sa right, meron ka na namang 900. So, ang total commission mo from both bonuses is 2,760 pesos. Dahil 2 bonus na po yan na nangyayari. Panalo, tama? So, this is just the second level. Ngayon, para mas maganda ang projection at sulit ang effort, mas malaki yung kikitain, I would highly suggest and recommend the Family Business Pack. Ano po yung Family Business Pack? Total of 7 business packages for the whole family is also the best business strategy. No? Take it from me who is already 20 years in the industry. Okay? So, ano ibig sabihin? Balik tayo dito. Imbis na yung 6 na yan sa ilalim mo, ibang tao, pamilya mo muna. Pasok mo muna yung buong pamilya mo. Hanggang 7 kayo lahat. Pag ginawa nyo yan, nakakatuwa, value for money. Bakit? Kasi ang 7 times 9,500, 66,500. Lumalabas, yun lang yung starting capital mo. But the products you will receive will be up to 75,000 pesos. Ngayon, ang good news ho, pag pumasok ka ng 7 family, meron ka kaagad income na 8,100. As you can see in the illustration here, may 8,100 ka kaagad. Ikaw pa lang yun, kasama yung family mo. Okay? Ngayon, ang strategy natin is just secure 4 people, tutulungan namin kayo na magpaliwanag sa kanila, secure 4 people who can also afford that package. 66,500. 4 lang. Out of the many people that you know, you just need 4. Pagka na-secure po natin yung 4 na mag-family business pack din, yung 4 na yan, for example, ito, yan. Ang total po na income ninyo would be 24,000 on the first level ninyo. Okay? So magkano ulit pinuhunan? 66,500. 24,000 plus 8,000, halfway there. Halfway there. Okay? So yung 4 na to, tuturuan din natin to get 4 of their contacts to purchase the family business pack. So second level, 16 na tao lang po yan, will give you 85,740 income. For a total of 117,840, 2 levels lang. Question, magkano ulit ang nilabas pinuhunan sa family business package? 66.5. Ang kinita nyo, 2 levels pa lang, 117,840. Hindi lang po bawi. Doble na po yung pera ninyo na nilabas ninyo. Nakakatuwa, wala kang binentang product. Nasa inyo lahat, no? Family business package products ninyo, enjoy ninyo. Okay? So iba pa po yun pag binenta ninyo. Alright. Now, this projection is for business packages. To give you a simple idea, yung Elixir Placenta po natin, pag yun po ang ginawa ninyong projection, dodoble lang po ito. Per bottle, meron din pong account and package. Okay? So, yan po yung ating family sales bonus. Meron pa pong 4, 5, and 6 na hindi ko na po i-detalye sa inyo. Just to give you a preview, dito po galing yung ating mga karamihan ng ating mga shopping experiences. Yung wala ka pang choice kundi mag-shopping kasi hindi mo siya mapepera, kailangan mo siyang ibili. Okay? Okay lang ba yon? Pilitin kayo mag-shopping o hindi na kailangan pilitin? Yan. So yan po yung kagandahan ng ating system sa GFAPS. So that's the reason why many more people are experiencing the goodness of the products and experiencing better and bigger income because of GFAPS. Like Miss Sheila, former sales admin and business owner, kumita na po ng 4 million dito. No? Itong mag-partner na ito, Carlo Chan and Chilit, also earned almost 6 million pesos na dito, nakabiling Toyota Hilux. Like Miss Mela also, who already earned 1.5 million. No? Dating professor. Ito, another business owner. No? Nakabili po ng Toyota from her income here. Side hustle niya na lang po ito aside from her business. No? And ito po, public servant, nagtatrabaho po sa government, nakabili po ng kanyang Mitsubishi Expander, no? Nakatulong para makabili siya ng kanyang pangarap na sasakyan kasi kulang yung kanyang sahod, no? So, may extra 600,000 siya from his side hustle here in GFox. So again, that are just some of the testimonies and the stories. Yan. Ng mga nangyari po at kumita dito sa GFox dahil sa ganda ng ating products. I hope no, na-inspire po kayo. Sana nakatulong po sa inyong mabigyan kayo ng pag-asa. No, na meron pong negosyo na pwede kayong simulan na ng 9,500 lang. Okay? Pero pwedeng kumita ng napakaganda at sulit yung products and grabe yung value na makukuha niyong kapalit. Okay? So kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating presentation, nagustuhan niyo yung negosyo, yung product natin, feel free to reach out to the person who sent you this video or sent you this link. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Sana makatulong. God bless you all.